In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital menu on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to streamline your menu options online, Google Sites offers an intuitive platform to make this a breeze. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that by the end, you have a sleek, attractive digital menu ready to go live. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. Once that's up, head over to Google and search for Google Sites. This will take you to a list of results. Click on the first link that appears. This will direct you straight to the Google Sites homepage. If you need to, you can log in using your Google account details, and you'll be ready to start. On the Google Sites homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice various templates and site examples. Select Start a New Site to begin creating your menu from scratch. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the site editor. Here, you'll see options like Insert, Pages, and Themes on the right sidebar. Next, click on the Pages tab in the right sidebar. This is where you'll create a new page specifically for your digital menu. Hit the plus icon at the bottom of the sidebar to add a new page. When prompted to name your new page, choose a clear, descriptive title such as Product Menu or Digital Menu to indicate what visitors will find there. After typing in your chosen name, simply click Done. With your new page created, it's time to add some structure. Switch over to the Insert tab in the right sidebar and choose a grid layout. Typically, something with 2 or 3 columns works well. This layout allows you to organize your menu items logically, making it easy for visitors to navigate. In each column of the grid layout, you'll showcase individual menu items. You can upload a product image by clicking on the placeholder box and selecting the image from your files. Alongside each image, add text for the product name, a brief description, and the price. This combination provides a comprehensive view of what you're offering. After placing all your items, go through each entry and ensure all details are accurate and aesthetically pleasing. Once you're satisfied with how your digital menu looks, it's time to make it official. Move to the top right corner of the Google Sites editor and click on the Publish button. This action will set your digital menu live on the web, accessible to anyone with the link. And there you have it. You've successfully created a digital menu using Google Sites, making your offerings accessible online in a fast and efficient manner. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that your new digital menu serves you and your customers well. Thanks for watching and happy creating.